Python is a versatile, high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python has gained immense popularity in the programming community. Its ease of use and powerful capabilities make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. One of Python's most significant advantages is its simple and easy-to-understand syntax. Python code is designed to be readable and concise, allowing developers to express their ideas in fewer lines of code compared to other programming languages. This readability is essential, especially for beginners, as it reduces the learning curve and encourages good coding practices. Python is a highly versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications. It's commonly used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. Python's portability is another key feature, allowing developers to write code on one platform and run it on various operating systems without any modifications. Python comes with a vast standard library that simplifies the development process. The library includes modules and packages for tasks such as file I/O, networking, regular expressions, and data manipulation. This extensive set of tools reduces the need for developers to write code from scratch, enabling them to focus on solving specific problems. Python boasts a large and active community of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts. This community support is invaluable for beginners seeking help, as well as for experienced developers looking to collaborate or solve complex issues. The wealth of online resources, forums, and tutorials available make it easier to learn Python and find solutions to programming challenges. Python is an object-oriented programming language, which means it supports the creation and manipulation of objects. This paradigm allows developers to organize their code into reusable and structured components, making it easier to maintain and scale projects. Python's object-oriented features facilitate the implementation of concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Python is an interpreted language, which means that code written in Python is executed line by the Python interpreter. This immediate feedback loop is beneficial for debugging and testing code, as developers can quickly identify and fix errors. Additionally, Python's interpreter-based nature simplifies the development process by eliminating the need for compilation, making the code development cycle more rapid. Python is an open-source language, which means its source code is freely available to the public.